This is the tutorial on how to add ad hoc medications from service page. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, click on the Services page. Here, we can see that the Patient Services page for today does not have a medication schedule. To add medication, click the Add Medication button. Choose Add to Current Medication Prescription. From the drop-down list, choose the medication. Fill in the medication details. Click Save. A confirmation text will prompt to confirm the addition. Click Confirm. Now, we can see that the newly added medication has appeared on today's services page. If we notice, on the Add Medication page, there is another option, Add Urgent Medication. That Add Urgent Medication option is used to add medication that has not yet been added to the patient's medication list. Meanwhile, the Add to Current Medication Prescription option is for adding medication that is already listed in the patient's medication prescription list. If you choose the Urgent Medication option, you can select the medication name from the drop-down list. Fill in the medication details. Click Save and the medication will be added. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.